WordPress is known as the most popular content management system that's free and open source, but did you know WordPress also offers hosting? I'm talking about WordPress.com, a fully managed hosting platform, but how good is it really? I'm here to answer exactly that in this WordPress hosting review. Okay, now usually WordPress and beginners are not exactly a perfect match. That's not really true with WordPress.com hosting, though. If you're looking for one of the easiest ways to host a WordPress website in 2026, WordPress.com is definitely worth attention. That's mainly because it's managed WordPress hosting, meaning WordPress.com handles pretty much everything for you, unlike self-hosted WordPress, where you have to install the software, manage updates, security, backups, and all that fun stuff. And another pro is that the dashboard is pretty modern, clean, and simple to navigate. So if you're new to hosting WordPress, it's going to be much easier to manage pages, blog posts, themes, domains, and settings than with regular WordPress. Honestly, it feels like WordPress with most of the technical complexity just stripped away. You'll probably feel comfortable pretty quick, even if you've never built a website before, and you're going to learn the beginnings of regular WordPress as well. Sounds pretty nice, right? So, hey, I'd say give it a try. I've got the biggest WordPress hosting discount there is. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description and you're off. Okay, another thing I wanted to check with this WordPress review is AI features. So most hosting and website builder providers are adding lots of AI recently. And that's not a bad thing as long as it's working. So WordPress.com comes with the AI website builder and AI assistant, which makes things really even easier for beginners. And you can generate pages, you can create content, you can get design suggestions and make changes using AI instead of doing everything manually. And so that's a nice addition, even if you're an experienced user and you just want to get things done quicker instead of starting with the good old WordPress Hello World page that's rather empty. Okay, so another big advantage is reliability. Hosting that you can't rely on is pretty much useless, and I wouldn't waste my breath talking about hosting without proper security. So WordPress hosting includes backups and automatic updates on most plans. Another nice thing is that your site runs on WordPress.com's global network. So performance is generally stable without you needing to install optimization plugins or tweak settings yourself, which is another pro for beginners. That said, it's not all fine and dandy. So WordPress.com does give you less freedom compared to self-hosted WordPress. The thing I really dislike is that when there's a free plan available, it doesn't have access to plugins. I mean, WordPress without plugins? Come on. Also, keep in mind that even with a premium WordPress subscription, plugins can come with their own pricing, but that's not really different from other hosts unless they include something for free. Customization is also restrictive at times. For beginners, that's usually fine, but if you like complete control over every aspect of your website, you'll probably notice the limitations pretty damn quickly. Honestly, it's a bit weird naming limitations when talking about WordPress, so I kind of already started covering plans. So next in this WordPress.com review, let's talk pricing and what you get for your money. The pricing is honestly low, but WordPress.com is designed around a single website, whereas some hosting providers offer significantly more flexibility. All right, but we are here for a WordPress.com review, right? So is WordPress good as a hosting solution? Well, it's an excellent choice if you want a simple WordPress experience. I mean, it's easy to set up, to manage, and it takes care of most of the technical work for you. But that convenience does come at the cost of flexibility and customization options. So for beginners, bloggers, personal websites, and small businesses that just want a website online without dealing with technical shenanigans, WordPress.com makes a lot of sense. However, if you do want full control over plugins, themes, hosting, and optimization, a self-hosted WordPress setup will be the better choice. Okay, so that answers what WordPress.com is all about and if it's for you. If it is, great, scan this QR code or just click the link in the description and get it at the lowest price. That's it for this WordPress Hosting Review 2026. Thanks for watching. See you guys around. Bye.